Afternoon, you guys. It is Thursday. It's a rainy day today. Not much going on at the moment. Just cooking some food and having a drink. Been pretty much inside all day. Sorry, I'm scratching a mosquito bite. I've been pretty much inside all day because the rain has been pretty gnarly. And also because I haven't been feeling well. I had a really bad toothache that woke me up in my sleep, and so I've been battling that. But right now I am currently cooking. So pickles, fried pork chops, and some beans here, making beans, and also I have some white rice. So yeah. Also just having a little sip right now. Fam's watching TV. I'm not going to show them because they probably don't want to be shocked right now. So yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. Probably later on I'll probably touch the road. I might go to Margaritaville. Really not much to do tonight. It's Thursday, but I'll figure something out. And if I do, I'll try to film some stuff for you guys and show you guys a little look. So again, this is just me, basic me, no makeup, no nothing, cooking for my family. Pretty much what I do very often, as much as I can when I'm around them. Give them a little taste and stuff. And again, I apologize for scratching the mosquito bites. I don't know if you guys can see. It's pretty bad, right? Yeah, they loving your girl, and I ain't loving them. So when I have something more to do or something else to say, I'll check in back with you guys. But until then, well, here is the finished product, you guys. Sorry to play a little messy, but rice, beans, fried pork chop. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the food now and just relax a little. So I'll talk to you guys later. See you there, people. Doing the excursion. Got a lot of videos to see there. We out here though. Get some water. So the next thing that we do is the tubing, and after the tubing we go horseback riding. So I will check in with you guys later.
Yeah, when it gets around later, you give me your phone.
Of course. I'll give you a call from when I get my other phone. It's in a locker. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Don't lose it.
Oh, scared me. What was that?
See that, people?
That would have been good down there, yeah?
If you have water and they go down there, I'll be coming short.
Okay.
Bro. Yeah.
I can't grab it. Okay. Okay. Let me record. So I thought I was recording the whole time. Just got done zip lining. That's the canopy. Still suited up. So walking over here now. Just to have a little break. Drink some water. Chill out until the rest of the people them come. Look at this beautiful tree, you guys. I'm vlogging. Here. Look at this this beautiful tree though, you guys. Come back here. Fuck them. Leave the ocean to me.
Okay.
Leave the water to me.
Well, here, yes. The air group in here, yeah. Alright, so anything you don't want to get wet, put it here. Anything you don't want to, alright, group up, what, five, group up five, yeah. Group up two, then have no group with them. Come on, Joe. My next two.
I'm about to get undressed.
Make sure it's from inside.
I don't know why because I'm itching and I like to burn. Chilling like a villain on.
Next. Yeah, man, that's a crawfish right there, beautiful.
I knew it.
You know it? You
She
have
didn't
crawfish
know.
before?
Louisiana, baby.
Louisiana?
Yeah.
You know where I'm from?
Where?
I'm from down in Texas there.
Yeah, I bet.
Lady, get me on the camera and put me on YouTube.
He is hilarious.
Right there.
Introduce yourself though.
Hey, my name is Sugar. The
Sugar.
reason why they call me that, I eat a lot of sugar cane.
All right.
You don't believe me?
Keep the body nice
Touch me and
though.
taste your finger.
Not
yet. Not yet. Man.
What? Can you cook?
Apes.
I know, man.
I didn't see it.
Hey, me not you.
Hey, ladies.
Me not stand on
Oh,
Hey,
This guy is
Brogan,
famous.
me not stand on
Not me.
Listen to me, kid.
Yeah, man. He's so
Listen to what I'm
famous.
telling you. You don't speak English?
You know, they-
Alright, yo, what to me going?
Bitch, I can't. I gotta take a bunch
You
of
guys understand what I'm saying?
C.
We weren't listening.
Yeah, man.
You know what happens in Jamaica?
Yo, Kino, it ain't too true about SFA.
What happens on the river?
Stays on the river.
What happens in America? You see it on YouTube.
What we do with them there?
See, I wanted Chukka to do this, like a river raft.
Poor people. Reporter, come here. Really?
Hold it. First time to Jamaica, everyone.
I know where
Listen,
go.
for no and yaman for yes. I said You guys need to spend an extra week in Jamaica, man. Yeah. Come on, faster, teaspoon. This is not a joke. Yeah, your tour guide up there, his name is Teaspoon. My name is Sugar.
Take it apart.
Yeah, I used
Take
to
it
eat a
apart,
lot of
you
sugar
can't fit
cane
that in
back
there?
in 1770s.
I put it in my bra. I think we're gonna get in the water more, no?
Oh, you're talking about putting it in here.
Yeah. If not, it's okay. If not, don't trip, because I know you got limited space.
I'm trying to make sure that I'm start touching this damn phone.
Yes, sir, Stallone. That's a bro, you're a warrior? Huh?
Give me that, honey.
So this river you on guys are known as the Great River.
I did work
6 to
this
7
morning.
miles going straight to the ocean, but we're not going to do 6 to 7 miles today. That's too much work. Ooh, that's too much work. What do you think? I'm doing the hardest part of the work right here. Hey, who want to go faster? Raise your hand. Get out and swim.
Oh,
This is not a joke. Or swim and push the raft or something.
For some,
Yeah,
huh?
listen, if your ladies got this stuff, you can smoke it.
Okay.
You hear me?
Gotcha.
Yes, you were asking me a question?
Yeah, I heard you.
What were you asking me?
Oh, I wasn't asking nothing. I was listening.
Oh, you were listening and talking at the same time?
I can't remember what I was saying now. Look. How you supposed to vacation?
Vacation.
Yeah.
Ladies from Jamaica, you were born in the States. In the States. Do you visit Jamaica often? You got some sugar out there? You got some sugar out there?
Where?
In Jamaica. Okay, good.
She said, yeah, I guess. You just gonna
Yes,
agree
you
to the
should
man.
know. Take off the glasses, let me see your face. I saw that look on your face, bro. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing, bro. Don't think I don't know what you're doing over there. I know what's going on.
Sorry.
Yeah, right now, the water is changing color. You got a TV show? Huh?
You do. I know you do. Cause you're so funny.
You know I got a TV show?
You should. You're so funny.
Hey, listen, you know, funny is a bad word in Jamaica.
Why?
Huh?
So what you say comical?
Hey, funny is like telling a dude that he's a gay or something.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
my apologies.
So, birthday, bro. Oh, it's birthday too?
Oh, happy birthday.
Yo, happy birthday to you, bro, in real life, man. Yeah. So come you didn't tell me earlier, bro, I could, you know what I mean? Yes, ma'am? Oh, sorry, I mean, sir. Sorry, I didn't realize. I thought it was a lady calling me. OMG.
You gonna get in trouble?
Guys, watch out. Anything bite you, you bite it back.
All right.
Right there.
We're trying to get the bamboo.
Jamaican bamboo.
That's what that means.
Teaspoon, take a look in the camera. YouTube.
Gaza, me say.
What you say?
Gaza, me say.
What kind of Gaza? Go let me say.
Oh.
Huh? Go let me say, man. You know Gully God? Who named Gully God?
Bavaro.
Oh, good. But I mean, Cartel is a really good artist. You know what I mean? He's the best lyrical artist in Jamaica.
But Bavaro is more respectable.
Yeah, Movado is, you know what I mean?
Good guy too. They're all good.
What a pick, guys. You gonna hit the bank? Check if there's any money in it.
Oh, you're smart. You didn't stuff.
That I don't respond. You know what I mean?
Look at how pretty. Okay.
Anything you don't want to last, you leave it in the raft. Anything in your pocket, you give it to me. Don't keep it. Yeah.
Can you get some of me on mine? I'm about to get in first now. I'm gonna swim first.
Go
I'm
again,
saving
take
that
a
as
picture
much
one
as
more
I
time.
can.
Almond? You be like almond. Yeah. You like almond, but you just like almond.
I'm in the water, you guys. I'm in the bushes.
My lady, if you can't get back in, you feel like giving up, just do it.
And said just end it. End it all. That's all he said, Nika, give me. Keep coming over, because look, I'm trying to don't you get past me. It's not that I can stand up now. The fact that I gotta rock. But you gotta rock. The fact that but it's so cool. It feels so good. Sorry, you guys, this camera. It's in the pouch, but I'm in the middle of a river. I'm swimming.
Me say oh.
Ayo.
Yeah, like, come on, me want go home. Lady,
Yes.
Splash your water over there.
Splash my water over there? What?
Yeah, that over there. Let go.
No.
Come on, what are you? Look, listen, your friend is braver than you.
It's my sister, man.
Oh, listen, your sister. I always just say friends, you know, but.
She's supposed to be crazy. What?
Yeah. Sister one, sister two.
She said.
You don't want to get your ear wet, my lady?
My finger was in the way. Come here. Bottoms up, though. Bottoms up, though. Yeah. It's the best. It's the best view. Yeah, you look fire. Thank you. Yeah, because we don't have Jamaican feet for this. You so funny. Take your time, take your time. Take your time. That's what I'm saying. You should really hold this. No, I'm saying when I'm pulling, bitch, catch you. You bold. I'm trying to find my feet to do right now. You take my music and you do it like you're doing it. You hold it like where I can see myself. Mm-hmm. I knew I saw the damn spider with it.
Nice. Good job. Nice. Come on up, little man.
Happy birthday!
Come on up, it's your birthday. Legs up. Legs up. Raise your feet. Oh. Come on up. Another one. DJ
Dad,
I just don't want
Who's going next?
you said we're doing it again?
Yeah, you're doing so bad.
Oh, yeah.
As much as you want. Yeah, man. Come on up, little man. Don't know you're wet yet.
What you gonna have to do? I have to do it. Look like you come off already? No. She's still.
Let go! Oh! Nice and easy. Raise your feet. Flip! Let go! Let go!
His hands just decided not to go. I psyched myself out halfway through.
Oh, yeah.
Let go! Oh!